welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is doing this skit, I'm thinking, and it's different. She's, as people would say, take lemon and make lemonade, is what she's doing. So I'm not sure who called her a pang or who said, anything about her in that case. She started putting stuff around her mouth while she was eating, and she's, you know, eating very hard, so you could hear the slap of her mouth, the clapping sound of her mouth, while she's eating, and basically she's showing off that. And she's saying that basically it's anything goes. It was anything goes on her platform, and uh, her members only, they could call in and, you know, just cuss off anybody who trouble her, Marcia. And so that was the entire video. Her video was based on that. But guys, you would have to catch the video to see what Marcia has to say about why she did, put the food around her mouth and everything else. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovelies, have yourselves a beautiful day.
Talk about anybody and to trace off any blood clot body we don't want trace off. Where trouble me. Not nobody will not trouble me no. Only people where trouble me. Let me make it clear. Only talk about people what is troubling me. Wanna hear on social media. Anybody wanna hear trouble me. The floor is open. Cuss out them blood clot. I make a statement. The floor is open. Call and request to come on live. Big up to me, love the support of them and the people that say while me eat me supreme. I'm eating taco for dinner tonight. Taco. I love taco. So I am eating taco supreme. That's what I'm eating tonight. Taco supreme. Mexicano. So, who's the first caller? Tonight, remember, as not come along, please follow the page. Oh, now it takes so long for your page reach 10,000. Come on and like the page and follow the page, man. Come on like the page. Come on like the page. Follow the page. I'm not take too long. Marcia, a big star, not take too long for you. Remember, some me look at newspaper, will not take too long. You don't want to see me out here or not. Can I look like some of the top come out here then? Would I need to follow the S me now come back out here? Come on. Tonight is called support tonight. Tonight is supporter night. Call in and trace our people. Come on, me supporters them. Call the fourth request and come in. Call me and come in. Call. Daddy dee 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 dee. Daddy dee dee daddy dee dee daddy dee. Me say. Remember to like the page. Remember to follow the page upstairs. Follow the page, people. Me not like it soft. Me like it hard. Me nail back my raw tongue. When I come and interfere with? When me actually have mouth for? I'm not saying I'm a pig. I'm a swan. When I request, I said tonight is support a night. One have to say, call in and trace them off. Any blogger will say, because I bless, call in and request a video and call them and trace them off. I don't know say. Then I keep sure, I keep sure too. So call man. I'm sure for sure. We had married it. Somebody talk, had married it. You over Facebook, you look like you know why you married out. Somebody talk, had married them and come over here and cuss. No ass nail not get no done. What kind of bomb nail? Give me put the clock money for the nail? Huh? You give money for give me nail? See money, see cash you happy. If me not get nothing on my cash you happy tonight. No sure now I'm gone. If me not see no story. If you do my nails. No Since I you want nearly done. Somebody call and marry over here. Somebody come. Send the money come for do my nail. Me not tell you send the money come do my nail. I don't have money for do no nail. Send the money come. Send the money come and then I treat me right. Send the money come go do my nail. Yeah, me no want nail and tackle you too fast now. Me should have buy 6 instead of there's a little bit here. I take time on you, man. Because I'm done too quick. Tonight is supporter night. Yeah, my girl. Christmas is coming, me wa me lama. Hello. Me tell us if you can cuss the people and blogger them where you chat me. How no did they cuss each other? How I go and buy ya? Huh? I'm not Mr. Enough to call in a support a night tonight. Me I give you a page. Me I give you a page phone. Request and company live and how customer. Wait now. Come on, remember. Me block out your backside. Go on with your business. Good night. Have a nice sleep. Nom, 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 nom. Nom, 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 nom. Get your support tonight. I want to call in. Oh, you have to give them nice, clean content tonight. I'm not seeing a star. I'm not seeing the money for the nails. I'm not getting the money for the nails. So, nail ya. Check there. See how one of them pop off ya. How are they? How are they? I support a night call him. I say, I'm sure I will come. Bam. I support a night. One of the calling and state up on a little argument. Me don't understand how you can call in for other people page. I don't want to call in for mine. Me want to call in something too. Me want to sit down and relax too. So me I tell you what my supporters them call and trace them off. Trace off them blood clot. Boy, and that's nothing to do. Call in and trace them off. Yeah, belt him off of my chest. Call in. Call me. Call and trace. Me I give you a page tonight. A page of phone tonight. Me say call in and trace off them blood clot, boy. Anything you have to say, one not afraid for. Because we over there, cock up on them. So, what them I could do too now? Just, yeah, what them I could do? Huh? But take a mirror and look under your foot, you see which part time to. Yeah. Take a look. That if you're scared, sit down there with your fucking belly, must it drop a groom. Like I went hag a baby. Uh-huh. Uh-uh. Mine I get black for that too. Uh-uh. But you know easy. You can't see my plate, maybe clap myself in the name no more. But wait there. Then I feel belly for me. I never know. Mm-hmm. I can't satisfy me, you know. If me yam, I'm gonna yam a problem. So me yam, because it's my problem. Me say, it's calling time to come live and state an argument. But tell that to your mama and yourself and your generation. Yeah. Me have insurance. Me got a doctor. I don't know if you have none, but me got a doctor. From last year, me check up everything. So you have to tell that to your mama and your sister and your picnic them. Every doctor me visit from last year. Yes, me dear. I'm good to go. So you have to tell that to the other rest of fat people on social media. It's a rasping thing I done too fast. I have to try pinch here now. Got one piece left.
Remember, lovelies, to subscribe, like, comment, and share this channel.